Hello YouTube, Chachi Tech's back, and today's video is about how to use your phone as a webcam for free. So you can use your phone as a webcam for free. You should not have to buy any cameras in order to have a video chatting, or you want to make maybe a YouTube videos or anything that you want. Maybe you have a Skype, a Zoom, or any application communication that you want. You have a camera on your laptop but the quality is low. No worries, you have your phone. If your phone have a good camera, you can connect to your computer and you can use it as a webcam. So today we will see about it. Stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's see how we're gonna use our phone as a webcam. So get into the site called http://iron.com. I will put the link on the description box. So as soon as you click the link, it will directly lead you to this site. As you can see, this site webcam, which is iranian.com. So the site have links for different platforms, for Windows, for Mac, and as well as for Ubuntu. So you have one of this operating system, so you can use from the lists. You can use whatever you want based on your operating system. So here I have Windows operating system and I already downloaded the file. So here it is, the file that I downloaded. I think you can see here I downloaded the file, and follow the installation steps. So you click on it and it will proceed. It will ask you to run the file, which is an administration privilege. It will ask you the permissions to install. So you proceed like installing, then you click I accept on the agreements. The next, which is the location that the Iranian want to save its file. Next, then install. Then as you can see here, it installed the file. So we will wait until it will finish. Then start Iranian webcam server. Yes, I want to start it. So as you can see, Iranian webcam turns your phone into a wireless webcam. Use your mobile camera in your PC or Mac. So it's asking you to use your phone. So there is an application which is for your Android or iOS phone. So you can download based on your phone operating system. For Android, you can go to the Play Store, and you can go for iPhone, or for iOS you can go to the App Store. So we will see on how we can download. Basically for today's video I have an iPhone phone, so we will see on how we can download in the iPhone Iranian app, and we will see how we're gonna connect. So let's see. Here I have my mobile, which is iPhone. You can, as I said, you can use even for Android phones. The only thing is you go to the Play Store. So let me log in. Let me log into the App Store here. So when you log into the App Store, search for Iranian app. As you can see, Iranian app, which is, I think it's visible, Iranian webcam for PC. So as you can see here, it's open that I have on my mobile. So I already downloaded, but follow the step and it will download you based on your speed of connection. Here I downloaded the file. As you can see here, it's the Iranian webcam on my computer and here in the phone. So we already downloaded in the mobile. So here is the file on my phone. As you can see, Iranian webcam. So the only thing that I will do is I will open my Iranian app. I'll click on the Iranian app on my phone. So as you can see, it starts using my camera. When I move my hands, it try to search, or it try to follow my hands movement. So I'm using my phone's camera. Then you can even make you can even use your front camera by clicking here the front camera. As you can see here on my screen, here there is an option for the front camera. You can click the front camera and it's changed into the front camera. I'm not as you can see here, it's using the front camera of my phone. So you can basically use it for different scenarios. Even as you can see here, I can even make a change on your computer by clicking the video format. You can select different video formats here. You can select and you can make it more favorable, which is for example, let's make it 1920 by 1080. So you should have to restart your phone in order to see that function. So let me click on the webcam once again. Yes, it comes with another video format. So you can use this Irenium app by downloading on your computer and as well as your phone. And as soon as you click the Irenium app on your mobile, and if when it's connected on the same connection, which is internet or wireless connection, it will automatically start using your phone as a webcam. So today's video was about the Irenium app. I think it's helpful and you can use it for any application, maybe on a Zoom meeting or a team conference, which is a team application, MS Team, or else on a Skype conversation with your friends or colleagues. You can use your phone by connecting the Irenium and you can use it freely. So if today's video is helpful, please give me thumb up, subscribe my channel. Chachi is out.